Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME T70 to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now to set them up, you need to click on the same options in both apps. Let's start with the one on REALME. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm at the bottom. Continue over here and then allow in first pop-up. Now you need to tap on allow all in the second one, and after that whatever you want to in all those other ones. Then on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up, allow all in the second one, and whatever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, you can hit send at the bottom left corner of REALME and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Going back to REALME, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access this content and then select them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Now if you picked any apps to transfer, you need to hit OK in this pop-up to continue. Finally, after hitting got it, decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on the receive button to connect. To scan the QR code though, you can click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up by tapping on while using the app, or only this time. And pointing your device's camera at the QR code. Wherever you decided, just wait for your transfer to be done. Now close all of those ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!